Bro, did you check out InfinityTube? It's blowing up. Yeah, man, analytics are crazy. Algorithm finally pushed it. Your new motion graphics look clean. Thinking of dropping a breakdown video?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial we are going to make like this hologram of any person in the After Effects under 3 minutes. So this is going to be really interesting tutorial, so make sure watch till the end. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into the After Effects. So I'm using this footage, a guy talking with someone else, but there's not any other guy. I will import this second guy and move it to the left side and go to the effect and preset panel and search Keylight and apply into this and select this color picker tool and select the screen and change the view to the screen matte and expand the screen matte, and we have to remove this dark feather into this white section. So you can play with this clip black and clip white. I will use this clip white. So let's make this clip white 79. Now it's completely white and change the view to the final result. Now really important thing, go to the file, project settings and colors and make sure 16 bit per channel should be checked and hit OK. And go to the effect and preset panel and search VHS flicker effect and apply onto this. Now search deep glow. If you have, you can use deep glow, otherwise you can use normal glow. So I'm using this deep glow, and deep glow is exposure value 0.20, and I will search tint and apply into it and change this map black to any color you want. So I'm using this blue color and hit OK. Now go to the effect and preset panel again and search curve and apply into it, and I will decrease the graph little bit down like this and press U, select all of these keyframes and move it to the right side. So I'm going to move it at these 7 seconds here. Now select this one again, control to duplicate and delete everything, all effects and controls except this green screen. So delete all things. Now change blend mode to the add. Also, if you want multiple flicker, then press U and select all of these keyframes, move it to in the beginning or 1 seconds. So it will create a lot of flicker like this. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, then hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comments. So meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.